Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a crystal haul. Now I have found this amazing site that is based in the UK. It's called Psychic Tree. I will leave a link down below. And they are reasonably priced and they have so much information, and it's really just a great site. And they have not just crystals, they do jewellery and candles and sage and loads of other spiritual tools that you may need in your manifestations, or not for your manifestations, maybe you just want to have a little browse. I will leave a link down below. So I recently did a podcast about using crystals in your manifestation. I will leave that link down below as well if you are interested. And doing the research, it got me thinking maybe I should start using crystals in my manifestation. So I am a complete noob when it comes to crystals, but the Psychic Tree has a lot of information, so you can find out like what kind of crystals are good for your sort of manifestations of what you're trying to manifest. So I've got a few here that I will share with you, and some information and things to do when you have just bought a new crystal. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first one, they all come in this nice little bag, and it comes with a little guide book. Now you have the option of just buying the crystal alone, and as I said, I'm a newbie, I wanted to have the information, so it cost I think £1 for the guide. So let's open the first little pouch. So I have got citrine, the crystal citrine. It is a yellowy clear kind of crystal, don't know if you can see that, and it looks really nice. So I'll go through, and like I said, it comes with this little guide book, and it tells you what chakras you need, what the color is, where you can find it like naturally, what element it's associated with, what does it mean, the birthstone month, the zodiac sign, the actual chemical composition, all this in just like a little guidebook. And then it tells you your physical healing properties, your emotional healing properties, your spiritual properties, and then legend has it. So that is the citrine one, and it basically supports digestion, increases metabolism, helps with weight loss, and increases stamina. It can stimulate optimism, playfulness, it allows for clear thinking, inspires self-expression, and raises self-esteem. It enhances creative imagination, willpower, manifestation of prosperity, accelerates spiritual vision, and is to attract wealth and abundance. So if that's something that you are trying to manifest, I recommend you get the citrine crystal. Okay, so that's that one. Now we have the aventurine crystal. It is a green crystal, looks like that, and it is for general healing, increases circulation, increases energy, lowers cholesterol, increases fertility, aids in sight issues, and reduces acne, inspires optimism and self-confidence, brings harmony, calms nerves, reduces stress, brings joy, brings good fortune and prosperity, harmonizes, regulates rhythm, balances the male and female energy, and promotes renewal. This is used in rituals to increase abundance, opportunity, and luck. So if that is something that you are trying to manifest, maybe look into your aventurine crystal. Now we have the amethyst crystal, which is a purple crystal. So amethyst looks like that. It overcomes addictions, nerve disorders, increases oxygenation of the blood, helps to clear negative emotions, reduces anxiety, stress and anger, aids connections with spirit guides. Rose quartz. Now if you are looking for love, I have heard that the rose quartz is the crystal to help with manifesting love and connection. I also have a course about manifesting love and maintaining your relationship, so if that's something you're interested, I'll leave that down below. So the rose quartz supports the heart and healing from trauma and disease, releases past wounds, teaches trust and hope, and it encourages new love, encourages spirituality of love, links heart to heart of the earth and heart of the universe. Then there's a story about Adonis and Aphrodite, so there's a little story there about why. And Aphrodite is the goddess of love, so I'm guessing that is why that is the love crystal. And then we have a interesting looking crystal, kind of brown. Okay, so this is carnelian crystal. So brown one. It increases fertility, reduces menopausal symptoms, reduces congestion, reduces skin irritation, helps with lower back and joint pain, relieves depression, increases circulation, restores motivation, stimulates creativity, encourages concentration, reduces rage, envy and resentment, encourages love, aids confidence, encourages inner self-connection, promotes energy to release talent, improves past life awareness, and then talks about how it was discovered in Egypt. So if you're looking to manifest self-love, maybe that it would help you with that one. And self-love is very important in your manifestations, so maybe give that one a try. And then the last crystal that I have is the golden tiger. And now I have gold tiger's eye crystal. So it looks kind of like the carnelian one, but not. So we definitely don't want to get them mixed up. Relieves mental conflict and benefit those suffering from mental health disorders, good at clearing sinuses congestion and eases vision problems. Releases fears and anxieties, provides courage, strength and self-confidence, inspires those who wear it and also encourages those around you to make the world a better place. It is for good luck and prosperity. It can help to bring dreams, desires to fruition, and is also a protective stone. So maybe this one is for you for your manifestations. So those are the crystals that I've got. As I said, complete noob, but I am interested in doing it. And when you have a new crystal, you need to make sure that you cleanse it before you actually start using it for your manifestations, because it could be holding on to impurities as well as energy from the person who handled it before you or the person before them, depending on where it's traveled, how far it's traveled from. So you want to cleanse that before you start using it, because you don't want their energy to interrupt with your manifestations. So to cleanse it, you can either do sage and smudge sage around it, or you can cleanse it by cleansing it by running water under the tap, running water, hold it and cleanse it that way. And then you're supposed to leave it in a bowl of salt for 24 hours, so the salt can then make sure all the purities are gone. So I think that's probably what I'm going to do first before working on my manifestations. So that is my crystal haul. As I said, it's from the Psychic Tree. They are a UK company. Loved it. Got here when they said they would. The prices were very reasonable, I thought. They have a big collection. I definitely will be using them again. If you have any questions, please let me know. down below. If you have a crystal to recommend me, please let me know down below, because like I said, I am new. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.